I'm having a shooting today. We want to show what my friend Maike is able to do with her makeup. And it's like a little commercial video for her and to appreciate her skills. We simply want to show you Snoopy some makeup hacks.
So, wir müssen mal überlegen, wo wir am besten hingehen, dass wir einen schönen Hintergrund haben. Aber erstmal.
Look what she cooked for me!
Oh, it's delicious!
And it's beautiful. This is the before picture. Before making the mess.
Everything is tidy.
Yeah.
We'll see
The
how
artist.
long.
Hi,
Hi.
Maike. And Louis is the assistant. Totally useless.
Ein bisschen abzudecken. Oftmals haben Menschen auch viele Augenringe. Das ist jetzt bei dir nicht der Fall. So we're using the concealer now, and usually you take the green color to cover up red spots, but in your case you don't have any red spots. So we just cover up some small issues here and there, but in the end everything will be covered up with makeup, so should be fine. A color which is at least not too light for your skin, so I will blend that in.
What kind of sponge is that?
That is just a usual sponge. You can get it in at Douglas also. And some people have issues if I would touch them with my fingers.
Okay. Ah, that's why.
So, yeah. Normally I do it with my fingers because it feels a bit more natural. But I try to use the sponge as often as I can. So it's nice to blend the color into the skin.
It feels nice.
It's a little bit like a massage, isn't
It is.
So this is the part where the contouring takes place. I use the darker color to give your face a bit more shape. And I use the light color to bring up to the front several areas like the nose and a bit over here, and of course under the eyes it has to be lighter as well. That's it.
Fertig ist das Clownsgesicht.
And now I blend that in so it becomes a nice surface. So
Looks like I died already.
a bit too light for
Mama-san?
you due to the fact that this was a bit light for you. I again use a darker tone of color so that you don't look like a dead person.
You have to remember, if you go on vacation on return extremely tanned, it's possible that your makeup doesn't match you anymore.
So due to the fact that you already have very dark eyebrows, I use a dark color as well. And I put on the color with a little brush. And you can also use a pen for your eyebrows, but in your case I prefer the brush.
Okay.
I use concealer to get a good line between your eyebrows and your skin, so that they are very strict, separated from each other. So with this pen I try to get even thinner lines So you can color every hair with it.
The assistant.
He's hiding in his little cave.
Ja, ausgesprochen.
Carlo.
Frida Kahlo.
Bring some color into the game here.
Yay.
Sorry. Okay, I start with light colors and then I will get darker and darker, but I use very brightful things like green and blue and purple, and we'll see how it goes.
Yes.
We are putting a powder trail under your eye, so
Why?
later on I just can wipe it away.
Ah.
But nothing of the color of the eyeshadow will be hanging under your eye. Mach mal Augen zu. So now we are doing your lashes. I generally wouldn't recommend to take to use a water resistant mascara because they are bad for your skin because of these ingredients.
Ah, yeah, why is that?
Yeah, because of the water resistancy, they use heavier and more toxic ingredients.
Okay.
So you shouldn't use them. And I don't see a sense in using water resistant mascara because when you cry, you're looking bad anyway, so it doesn't matter.
True.
So please let it dry for a second, so don't open your eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Now we put on some rouge.
Moulin.
So I just follow the cheekbones, but not too much, otherwise it looks too heavy. It shouldn't be that much when your eyes are so pointed out. So that's enough. Okay, now we put on some fake lashes. I totally advise you to put on the glue and then let it dry for a second, so that sticks a bit better. Putting on fake lashes is not that easy, but with a bit closed. It sticks to my finger. Okay, keep your eyes closed, please. Looks good already. Okay, here we go with the second one. Perfect. Okay. This is a bit tricky now. So you definitely need calm hands. Sorry.
Speaking of.
Yeah. Okay, so I use a Kajal pen as a lip liner because the lips are getting green. So here I follow the nice shape and contours of your lips. Nochmal drauf, ich muss ihn jetzt auf die andere Seite. Okay, Okay, this is the lip gloss. It's very glossy and metallic. And the idea is to put green and purple together on the lips. We'll see how that works. Okay. Okay, on the inside I put in the purple color now, and then hopefully it will blend together beautifully. Okay. Okay, now I put on some setting spray so that everything lasts a bit better. Okay.
I love it. It's really nice. Look like a mermaid. I would say she's very talented. If you like what you've seen, if you appreciate Michael's skills, she also does bridal makeup or a much lighter makeup for the shooting for your job application pictures. Basically, she does all kind of makeups for photo shootings, fashion, movies or music videos. You can find Maike under Good Vibes Only on Instagram or under Maike Kistner. Thank you so much, Snoopies, for watching, and if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up.